P. Saktivel, Assistant Professor of English, Government College of Engineering, Salem. In this video, I am going to explain about common errors in English. Rule number 1. Subject and verbs must agree with one another in number. Thus, if a subject is singular, the verb must be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. Examples: Raju eats an apple. In this sentence, the subject Raju is singular, so that we use singular verb eats. The boys eat apples. In this sentence, the boys is plural subject, so we use plural verb eat. He has come recently. In this sentence, he is singular, so the verb has is used. They have come recently. In this sentence, they is plural subject, so we use plural verb have. Rule number 2. The verb agrees with the true subject and not with any other part of a sentence. Examples: studying computer languages is difficult. Here, the word studying is subject, so we use singular verb. The man who owns many houses is my friend. In this sentence, man is subject, it is singular, so that we use singular verb. The quality of the candies is poor. Here, the word quality is singular, so we use singular verb is. One of the books has been missing. Here, the subject one is singular, so that we use the verb has singular. Rule number 3. If the subject is connected either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearby subject. Examples: neither he nor I were there. This is incorrect sentence. Neither I nor he was there. This is correct sentence. Because the verb was is singular, it agrees with the subject singular he. Either you or I are at work. This is incorrect sentence. Correct sentence is either you or I am at work. So here the verb am is used according to the subject I. I is singular, so the suitable verb is am. So it is used in this sentence. Rule number 4. Singular indefinite pronoun subjects like each, either, neither, no one, nobody, nothing, anyone, someone, everyone, everybody take singular verbs. Examples: everything is alright now. Everybody likes listening to music. Either of my friends is good. Neither of his parents is educated. Rule number 5. Plural indefinite pronoun subjects like several, few, both, many take plural verbs. Examples: both do a great deal of work around the office. Many students are in the class. A few books are available in our library. Several scholars have assembled at the conference. Rule number 6. Some nouns like scenery, advice, information, machinery, stationery, equipment, furniture, news, poetry, business, economics, physics, ethics, athletics always take a singular verb. Examples: the sceneries of Kashmir are enchanting. This is incorrect sentence. The scenery of Kashmir is enchanting. This is correct sentence. He has given advices. This is incorrect sentence. He has given advice. This is correct sentence. Rule number 7. Some nouns are singular in form, but they are used as plural nouns and always take plural verbs. Example: cattle, gentry, peasantry, people, clergy, police. Examples: the cattle is grazing in the ground. This is incorrect sentence. The cattle are grazing in the ground. This is correct sentence. The clergy is in the church. This is incorrect sentence. The clergy are in the church. This is correct sentence. Rule number 8. Collective nouns such as jury, public, team, committee, government, audience, company are used both as singular and plural subjects depending on the meaning. For examples, the committee was formed in 2012. In this sentence, the word committee is used as singular subject. The committee were having sandwiches for lunch. This is correct sentence. In this sentence, the word committee is used as plural subject. The Tamil Nadu government has announced pay hike for its employees. In this sentence, government is used as singular subject. The government are doing a good job. In this sentence, the word government is used as plural subject. Rule number 9. Words like superior, inferior, senior, junior, prior and prefer always take to, not, than. Examples, I prefer apples than mangoes. This is incorrect sentence. Correct sentence is I prefer apples to mangoes. Shelley is junior than Wordsworth. This is wrong sentence. Shelley is junior to Wordsworth. This is correct sentence. I prefer coffee than tea. This is incorrect sentence. I prefer coffee to tea. This is correct sentence. Rule number 10. 1. As well as, along with, together with, no less than, in addition to, with are used as connectives of two subjects. The first subject should be considered for fixing the verb. Examples, Ram as well as his 10 friends are going to Delhi. This is incorrect sentence. Ram as well as his 10 friends is going to Delhi. This is correct sentence. Teacher along with the students were going to the ground. This is incorrect sentence. The teacher along with students was going to the ground. This is correct sentence. So thank you very much for watching this video.